Yo, hello everyone. This is day 4 trading and investing. So for the account, we have $9,560.91. Wow, it was a doozy today. I mean, we had highs of $9,955, and now you may ask, oh my gosh, how did we get here? How did we get $400 down from that point? Shoot, at a certain point we hit 9,000. Was it 9,300? Sheesh. Now why all this volatility? All of it is bull right here. Bull was on that BS, yo, if you know what I'm talking about. But like, yeah, it was really going crazy. But as for trades, I took a few. I mean, in realized profit, I took out of the market today. It was probably around 400 to 500, possibly even 600, because Gryphon Digital Mining Company now is under the ticker for American Bitcoin, ABTC. I don't know where it's at right here. And yes, I was in this move during this period of the 1320, and I had set my shares. My shares were up, I believe, $300, and I basically sold all of it. I had it in like two sells, so I sold that. I traded 2 assets today, which were, let's see, oh no, I know it's not loading. Ugh. Forget it. So I traded sorry guys, I forget a lot of times. Give me a second to recall. I traded WIX. Yes, I traded WIX, and I got out that trade. It was up. It almost hit 300, but I got out at $193. And I also traded, was it? I believe it was Meta. See, or Palantir. It was Palantir, yes. I traded Palantir, and I got out of that trade for $85. So that's like almost $300. And if I also count the shares I sold, I also sold my SOUN calls. I had 2 of them. I put my stop loss down. I got out for, I believe, $45. And then I sold American Bitcoin shares. So like total, it's probably like a $600 realized profit for the day. But as far as investing, we are down massively because of gold. And I'm still holding on to these 10 contracts because I see it riding up. You know, like I rationalize it like this in my head, right? Now someone else a lot better than me, I'm pretty sure they're gonna be like, that is pretty stupid. But let me just say how I'm rationalizing this in my head, right? So if it's down $1,275, that means that each contract is down $127.50. You know what I'm saying? We gotta come back from that $27.50, right? And if bull hits about 15, we're back at that point. So yeah, and with expiration for February, I kind of want to see, because pretty much it's just a sell-off before a run-up. I see it as, because there's no way that the company reports profits, revenue up almost 50% year over year, and we not get some sort of move. You know what I'm saying? BAH did crazy bad today. I was so surprised. Like, it went down to 106. Yeah, $106.75. I was really surprised at that. And then Big Bear AI was $4.90. I'm just like, wow, that's crazy. But like, I think I want to hold these to see if they can like retrieve some of their loss, and I'll probably sell it. But I'm thinking of changing up my strategy probably a little bit. Like, it seems like with the day trades, they've been going a little bit good, because it's like I have more time in the day, in the mornings now, to like actually sit down and just like peace of mind day trade. Like, I was day trading and losing a lot earlier in this account, because like I would like do it in class and just like really have no actual like time in the day set apart to do it. But it seems like I'm starting to understand it a little bit more. I understand how the charts move a little bit, because I've called a lot of good trades, but either I don't hold them long enough, I don't have a stop loss at the right place, or I let it run and don't take profit by trailing the stop loss. Sometimes the stop loss, what I don't like about it is that you'll trail the stop loss behind something, and like if price goes way like even if it's like a few cents, it seems, below the stop loss, it won't automatically trigger it. It like waits, and I'm like, nah, because in that moment that's where the like, you know, the money is at, bro. Like, it doesn't automatically trigger the stop loss with Robinhood. So, and then it's like it has to wait for it to get up there to the point again, and then finally I'm like, nah, I ain't doing that. I use the stop loss and let it, and trust the stop loss if it's really for like an asset that moves a certain way, like it moves by cents. But something like, let's say like a Spotify, something like a WIX, for some reason their chart takes time to like update. It doesn't move cent by cent, it moves more like by like dime, like like the tens place moves instead of the ones place, you know what I'm saying? And then like it can jump $1, it can drop 50 cents in one thing, and then just pause for that like that and just do it again. So that's why, you know, I'm trying to learn how to manage it on Robinhood, this platform. And I really don't feel like learning any other platform, I'm not gonna lie. I know Thinkorswim, I think, has a better thing, but like, oh my god, I'm not gonna lie. I'm trying to do this all on a Robinhood account. But, hey man, how's y'all day been going? Hopefully y'all did good in the markets today. I know it looks like I'm not doing good, but like, I have a lot more in my individual cash now, so like 3,700 compared to like the 2,700, so it's realized profit. Yeah. But all right, y'all. Have a good day. Have a good one. And we're gonna do the same thing tomorrow. Tomorrow is Thursday, September 4th. Lululemon's earnings come out after hours, and I'm thinking of possibly doing like a trade for it, a day trade, like depending on like if it's something that has like a what's the word, like a small contract, like a contract that's like $300. I might. But the thesis is, will price go up? Because I think there's going to be a massive move. But will it be up or will it be down? Because like sometimes a company can really post profits and like everyone for some reason is like, you know what, guys, let's just start selling everything. Like it doesn't even make sense. But they usually do that. So Wall Street usually does it so they can get it at a better price. It's like, dang. Ugh. This is chess, guys. This is really chess. But okay. With that, I'm gonna say peace. Have a good one, and stay tuned. He's about to run this account up. Racks, bands. All right. Good day.